A new type of battery, huh? Hey vapors, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Innokin iRoar Oceanus. Alright guys, yes, today we're looking at the iRoar Oceanus by Innokin. It takes a 2700 battery, and I believe it comes with one. So let's just check it out. It does come in black and silver, and I think red, white, and rose gold, but I think I have the black one here. And it opens like this. Here it says accessories, here it says innovation inside. So let's just go over here, and it flips up. Ooh, packaged very nicely. So we have two 2700 batteries. They're freaking huge. We have a Scion tank, the Oceanus, iRoar Oceanus, and a coil and an extra glass piece for your Scion. And on this side we have the accessories. So let's see what accessories it comes with. Oh, this is just a little pop-out box. We have an Innokin vape band, a micro USB to USB cord, some cotton, and some pre-made coils, some extra screws, O-rings, and a little blue screwdriver. That wasn't an extra coil, it's actually an RBA base for the Scion tank that comes with the Oceanus. So that's what the little rebuildable pieces are for. We've got this little informational on how to assemble everything. And in here, I'm guessing this is the like user's manual, warranty card, all that jazz. So here's the Oceanus. It is 3 7/16 inches tall, 1 9/16 inches wide, and 15/16 of an inch here. It's got a 510 connection, fire button, regulatory up and down buttons, a micro USB port, and the screen is right here. This comes off. It's a magnetic door for the 2700 battery. Here is the 2700 battery that they come with. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Amp King, bigger battery life. Oh, it's in. Oh, the disco light, the traditional 3-colored light. 1, 2, 3. 3 clicks turns it on. The screen displays the battery life, a seconds counter, the power in watts, the mode, and the ohms. It says check atomizer when you don't have an atomizer on it. It does not do temperature mode, so it runs in wattage, volts, and bypass mode. From 6 all the way up to 110 watts. I'm gonna put my Scion on here. If you press the plus and minus button at the same time, you'll see the precision coil reading. So it's like to the 5th decimal place, I believe, as well as the battery voltage. But if you press and hold the plus and minus button, it will flip the screen. To switch between wattage, voltage, or bypass mode, you just press and hold the fire button and the plus button. And to give it the 20% power boost, you press and hold the fire button and the minus button, and MODP is the 20% power boost in the first 2 seconds. To adjust the wattage up and down, you just press and hold the up or down buttons to change until the number starts flashing, then you can change freely. The lowest resistance you should have on here is a 0.1 ohm. For such a huge battery, it is a really compact, which I like that because it's a bigger battery, but it's not a bigger mod. So there was normal power. Now I'll switch it into the pre-boost. Now it's in mod P, which means it's 20% power boost in the first 2 seconds. Clouds, bitch. I feel like I personally don't need the power boost. So it's a super simple mod with a huge battery. Woo. I will leave a link below to where you can get this kit for $80 down below. And it does come with two 2700 batteries, which is a plus. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Snapchat. All those social media links will be below. And one more thing before you go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please join CASA.org and learn how you can fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.